Hey y'all, I'm Jim. Welcome back to Soldier Farms. We're in the shop today. I have the heater on and we're gonna do a little pen turning. This is more of the same batch of pen blanks. There were 32 in total. I've got about 6 done. So I need to get those done and ready to go. And then some of them I'll turn caps for, others the production cap will fit already. So I'm going to turn you around here to the lathe and we're going to go ahead and get started.
Dawn cracks cold on the frosted pane. Kettle sings low while the bairns still dream. I lace these boots with the same old prayer. Let the work hold fast to keep the payment fair. So raise your glass to the shavings on the floor. Every curl of wood, another open door. When the world says break, I say bend but never bow. I'll plane my path till the grain runs sweet somehow. Make my own luck now. Make my own luck now. Old man Cain says my price is wrong. Once oak for ash and the coin half gone. Smiles like winter, thin and sly, but I see the flicker in his clever eye. So raise your glass to the shavings on the floor. Every curl of wood, another open door. When the world says break, I say bend but never bow. I'll plane my path till the grain runs sweet somehow. Make my own luck now. Make my own luck now. Storms beat hard on a poor man's roof. Rumors bite deep as a rusty tooth. Still I mark my lines, measure twice, cut through. If the path won't come, I'll carve one through. Hey! So raise your glass to the shavings on the floor. Every curl of wood, another open door. When the world says break, I say bend but never bow. I'll plane my path till the grain runs sweet somehow. Make my own luck now. Make my own luck now. Bairns grown tall and the lamps burn clear. Bench scarred deep from the working years. World turned its back, but I turned the wood, and I turned our fate as I always said I would. Jim was born on soldier farms, red clay under his nails. Granddad's songs and borrowed tongues carried in the gale.
thin spruce plank and maple scrap spread out on the floor. He said, I'll build what my kinfolk played and hear them all once more. From the highlands to these hills, from the heather to the pine, every curve and every string is an old remembered line. He sands the wood so gentle, every tap a quiet prayer, building songs for 1,000 hearts who never knew he's there. He carves a neck by lantern light, marks frets with steady hand, thinks of reels in Donegal and jigs in Kerry's sand. He shapes a frame the way they did where mist rolls cold and white, dreams of dancing floors in Dublin and porches mountainside. From the highlands to these hills, from the heather to the pine, every curve and every string is an old remembered line. He sands the wood so gentle, every tap a quiet prayer, building songs for 1,000 hearts who never knew he's there. He doesn't sign his name too large, just a date and one small star. Says, this belongs to all of us who carry tunes this far. Then he lifts it to his shoulder, lets the first notes find the room, and the past walks in beside him every time it blooms. From the highlands to these hills, from the heather to the pine, every curve and every string is an old remembered line. He sands the wood so gentle, every tap a quiet prayer, for the countless generations who still gather in the air.
Junior Lane had a slingshot grin, Michael Ray carved his name in pine, Matthew Lee swore he'd never go home till the daylight quit on our side. Creek mud thick on a worn out boots, pocket knives, twine in a coffee can, setting little snares by the hickory root like we had some kind of master plan. We were kings of the holler and the cold clear creek, skipping rocks, talking big, never mind the next week. Tin cans jumping on an old fence post, blue jewel flashing where the willow leans low. Three young boys on a long bright lark, chasing off the long days, chasing off the dark. If time ever turned, I'd run straight back to those barefoot tracks on the creek bank path. Shot all the bottles Pop was gonna throw out, counted every clink like a battle. One built deadfall traps where the deer passed through, caught more laughter than anything can run. Bullfrogs boom like a far-off drum, fireflies floated in the summer haze. We swore up high we were never gonna change, that the world stay small as those August days. We were kings of the holler and the cold clear creek, skipping rocks, talking big, never mind the next week. Tin cans jumping on an old fence post, blue jewel flashing where the willow leans low. Three young boys on a long bright lark, chasing all the long days, chasing off the dark. If time ever turned, I'd run straight back to those barefoot tracks on the creek bank path. Junior's got a job in some far-off town, Michael's got a daughter that wears his crown, Matthew's chasing dreams on a red clay road, and I'm just driving past the place we called home. The barn's caved in and the trail's grown wild, that old flat rock's in the weeds and vines. I slow this truck, let the engine sigh, hear three boys laughing in the back of my mind. Oh, we were kings of the holler and the cold clear creek, skipping rocks, talking big, never mind the next week. Tin cans jumping on an old fence post, blue jewel still flashing where the willow leans low. Raised our hopes, raised our own young hearts, let the grown-up years pull us all apart. But when I roll by that gravel track, I feel those barefoot tracks on the creek bank path. Good, clean fun in a crooked world. 3 names carved in an old oak tree. I tap the wheel, whisper, boy, sleep well, and drive on past another life for me.
I could seal that with some epoxy or some CA glue or all manner of things. It'll work out just fine. This will probably be one I won't try to sell for obvious reasons. Same with that one that's cracked over there. But it's good experience, and I'm happy to have had the chance. So, anyway, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for being a part of my YouTube journey. Thank you for all the support, likes, shares, subscriptions, all of that stuff, because it all means a lot to me. Anyway, you all have a good one, and have a blessed week. Thank you.